Hey guys, I just recently bought the latest Xiaomi M365 Pro 2 at my local retail store here in Auckland, New Zealand. Yeah, as you can see, I used to, actually I had a M365 Pro, now it got stolen thanks to a couple of thugs out there. Can't believe it. It's left there at the bus station, it's gone. And I had to buy the Pro 2. Yeah, anyway. It's worth the incremental upgrades. Alright. Yeah, the Pro 2 definitely has refined some of the problems that the Pro 1 has suffered on. Like now it has a proper fender support on the back. Hold on, turn the lights. And now it has a larger tail light as well, and a brighter headlight. Yeah, it feels a lot sturdier than the previous model as well, and it brakes a lot stronger now. Like the mechanical disc brake has been refined in the back, and there's more reflectors this time. Added more warning stickers here and there, and I peeled one off here. And that's it's pretty much the same, but with incremental improvements. Yeah, I'll give it a thumbs up. So yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. The forward mechanism is a lot stronger now. It's not that wobbly now. It's not stiff. But over time, things might change. So hopefully this will last longer than the M365 Pro. Yeah, I'll be doing more tests on this one. So yeah, look out for on my YouTube channel. So yeah, please subscribe if you want to see more content like this. So yeah, thanks guys. Oh yeah, I'll show the dashboard. Yep, it's all new pedestrian mode, slow setting on this M365 Pro 2. And it comes with the standard drive mode and sports mode. Alright, I'll show you what it looks like in dark. It's a lot brighter. And the tail light in the back's much brighter than before.